Hey, this is our DP. So we are back. It's been almost a week since we put this gallon to catch the caliper brake because it's leaking. So if you have been watching my video, you will see how I put the gallon to catch all the brake fluid because the caliper on the rear passenger side on my 2013 Ford Escape has been leaking. Now we just got the caliper. So because we had to order that, we're gonna try to replace the caliper. So in the meantime, I need to put back the caliper bracket, which I have painted. You know me. You know RDP always doing something spectacular. So now to remove the handbrake cable as well the cable for the brake fluid, we're going to remove the caliper from the gallon, and then we're gonna empty the gallon because it's pretty much full of brake fluid, and then we're gonna hang the caliper up so we can have much access to empty the gallon. We have the caliper that we bought online, and we're gonna do a comparison between those two calipers. This is RH, and it also says T0833 and T0833. There's a number right here inside. It says 922. It says 922 on this one as well. And the very number on the bottom says 8M51. This one says 8M51, 2M088, 2M088B1. So there is pretty much a similarity between those two caliper brakes. And to make sure we got the right parts, so we compare the size of it, of both of them, and look at the position of the handbrake line and then the brake fluid line. So it's pretty much the same. Caliper. So now we're going to remove the handbrake line. So we're using a long flathead screwdriver, and we're gonna press into the handbrake line, and then we hold, and voila. So that's how we remove the handbrake line. So this is the handbrake line. So it's a little bit difficult to break the brake line bolt. So this hole right here where we remove the handbrake line, we're going to get it in one of those lug nut spike, and then we screw one of those lug nuts. Okay, that's secure enough. We can finally try to break the brake line. Okay, the line is moving, so we get the brake line loose. So the best thing to do is to unscrew the caliper and not the brake line. Just turn the caliper. Hopefully there's not a lot of fluid coming out. Oh, thank God. This thing is pretty much empty. It's dry. Let's bring in the new caliper. So again, we're gonna twist the caliper. Let's hold on tight. Don't let go. Okay. Let's clean that. We have to make sure we tie that. Let's see. This is untied, this is tied. So we have to go the other way, this way. Counterclockwise. And now let's bring in the handbrake line. Great. So now we are done installing the new caliper. The last thing that we need to do is just to install the new brake pads. Okay, now we can finally, so we installed the brake caliper. Now we can finally tighten the brake line. We just installed a new caliper on our 2013 Ford Escape. Basically, we had used a gallon to catch all the brake fluid, and that's why we didn't lose any more fluid when we changed the brake line, because there was no brake fluid left on the brake line. So this is our DP. We just show you how to replace your brake caliper on your 2013 Ford Escape. I hope that you like this video, and of course, please subscribe to this channel for more videos and more giveaways. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.